Imagine selling a single AI mood board for $1,200 while you're halfway through a taco. No client meetings, no 2 a.m. renders, no software crashes. That sale happens hundreds of times a day, but most designers still believe the only path to interior design cash is grinding out floor plans until dawn. Truth. You're one browser tab away from the fastest growing revenue stream in the creative world. Stick around. I'll hand you the exact tools, price tags, and platform hacks creatives use to flip AI decor into steady money. I'm Alex, ex-burned-out stylist turned full-time AI design teacher. My last hand-drawn rendering took 4 days, 3 revisions, and paid $400. My first AI concept set took 12 minutes, sold for $450 on Fiverr, and landed before dessert. In the next 10 minutes, I'm giving you the playbook that took me from midnight renders to a 6-figure course launch in 8 months. No ads, no fancy diploma, just repeatable steps. Traditional design gigs are capped by your hours. 1 client equals 3 meetings, 2 shopping trips, 40 hours of drafting. You top out at 4 clients a month, 5, if you give up sleep, while the market for design inspiration is exploding. Pinterest saves on living room refresh jumped 48% last quarter. People want fresh looks faster than any human can sketch, and they'll pay premium prices for ready-to-use concepts. That gap? That's your new goldmine. 2 tool groups matter. First, the one-click wonders. Canva's AI Interior Styler and Imagine Home. Upload a room photo, choose from 30 looks, download a photoreal render. Second, the prompt playgrounds, Midjourney and MNML.ai, where you drop a line like sun-drenched boho loft, rattan accents, muted terracotta palette, and get an image crisp enough for a magazine. Both spit out 4K shots that look like you slaved in V-Ray for a week. I use them in tandem. One click for speed. Midjourney for custom hero shots that make buyers swipe their cards. Step 1. Capture. Snap a quick wide-angle phone shot of the room, or grab a Zillow listing photo. Step 2. Upload to Canva. Hit Bohemian Minimalist. Wait 8 seconds. Download. Step 3. Hop into Midjourney. Type Imagine same room, Scandinavian hike, warm candlelight, 50mm lens, ultra-realistic. Add your downloaded photo as a style reference. 30 seconds later you've got 2 versions, fast and fancy. Step 4. Drag both into one Canva template. Drop on a title like before and after boho refresh. Export PNG. Total timer, 30 minutes 41 seconds on my last run. That file isn't a pretty picture anymore, it's a product. Buyers don't pay for your hours, they pay for the outcome. I list the basic AI restyle at $65 for 1 room, $220 for 3. The premium concept pack includes renders, plus an auto-generated shoppable product list I pull with LTK and Amazon affiliate links. That bundle sells for $150 and takes 5 extra minutes because the AI already picked the furniture. On Fiverr, level 2 sellers with 4.9-star averages are charging $650 for 5-room concept sets. Price anchoring works. Show a $1,000 custom mood board next to your $450 pack, and the mid-tier feels like a bargain. Section 5. Where the sales actually happen. Fiverr is still king for quick wins. Search AI interior design and you'll see gigs with 300+ orders in queue. Upwork clients pay more but want portfolios, so I use my Fiverr reviews as social proof. Etsy flips the model. Sell printable design guides, like 50 AI mid-century living rooms, at $15 a pop. One weekend guide has earned $500 since March. Then there's Gumroad for prompt packs. My 100 interior prompts that sell PDF is priced at $29, pure profit, 0 customer support. Stack all 3 and income stops feeling like a side hustle and starts feeling like a boutique studio. Section 6. Turning concepts into a course. After 50 sales you've got data. Which styles sell, which prompts hit, which thumbnails grab clicks. Package that into a 90-minute micro course. I host on Kajabi, split the content into 5 modules, drip it over 5 days so students feel progress. Price? $147 early bird, $185 standard. My first launch enrolled 7 students from one Instagram reel showing the before and after of my own apartment. The second enrollment saw a whopping 20 students. While the number looks low, it is a start. Recording took a weekend. Every video is just screen capture plus voiceover. No film crew required. Section 7. Passive income layer. Every render you create can live multiple lives. Post the best shots on IG with affiliate links to similar items. Pin vertical versions on Pinterest, linking back to your Etsy store. Bundle 30 renders into an ebook on Amazon KDP. My AI Bohemian Homes hit number 2 in home design and brings in $150 a month in royalties. Same art, new shelf space, 0 extra creation time. Friends thought I was nuts uploading 70-page books every month until the checks started rolling in. Dodging the glitches, AI still spits out warped rugs and 6-legged chairs sometimes. Quick fix. Drag the image into Photoshop's generative fill. Lasso the mistake. Type remove. Let AI clean up after itself. Always deliver odd-numbered image sets. 3, 5, or 7. Subconsciously, buyers trust odd numbers as more complete collections. Finally, watermark your previews until payment clears. Sounds obvious, but I see new sellers handing out 4K downloads on Reddit and wondering why their DMs are full of, "I'll pay you in exposure." Section 9. Scaling without burnout. Use Trello to track which listings need fresh mocks. Once a gig hits 50 plus orders, swap the thumbnail with a new render to keep center high. Batch prompts. Spend one evening writing 50 detailed prompts, then queue them for Midjourney overnight. While you sleep, your GPU churns out tomorrow's inventory. Outsource the boring parts. Hire a Fiverr VA for $5 to drop affiliate links into the product lists. That tiny delegation frees an hour a day, which is an extra $200 a week when redeployed on client work. If this is already clicking for you, smash the like button so the algorithm shows this to more designers who need the wake-up call. I drop a new AI income tactic every week. Subscribe so you don't miss the tool update that could double your prices in a few days. Section 10. The first 48 hours tonight. Open Canva and upload a photo of your own living room. Generate 3 styles. Post the before and after on your personal Instagram story. Caption it. Which one should I use IRL? Add a poll. 2 friends might vote. One will DM asking how you did it. That's your first lead. Message back a micro offer. I'll restyle any room like this for $45. Close the sale. Deliver in the morning. Ask for a screenshot testimonial. Congratulations. You just earned your first AI interior dollars before the weekend. Repeat for 7 days and you'll have enough social proof to raise prices to $60 or $70. The window where AI design feels novel is closing fast. 2 years from now, every high schooler will pump out renders between classes. Today, you've still got first mover juice. Use it. Grab the free checklist, 30 places to sell AI interior concepts, linked below. Download it, pick one platform, post your first listing this week. I'll see you in the profit column.
Road dust on my weary shoes, heartbeat playing blues. Lost my way in shadows deep, promises I couldn't keep. But a light shines through, whispering your name new. Your love turns my gray sky gold. The story bravely told, chasing all the dark away, bringing hope with every day, from the raw ache I once knew. Now just endless skies of blue. Your love turns my gray sky gold. A story bravely told, chasing all the dark away, bringing hope with every day. Road dust on my weary shoes, heartbeat playing blues. Lost my way in shadows deep, promises I couldn't keep, but a light shines through, whispering your name new. Your love turns my gray sky gold. The story bravely told, chasing all the dark away, bringing hope with every day, from the raw ache I once knew. Now just endless skies of blue. Your love turns my gray sky gold. A story bravely told, chasing all the dark away, bringing hope with every day. Silent shadows on a tear-stained face, a quiet melody finds its place, moments lost forever bloom, chasing colors from the gloom. A flicker ignites the truth inside, no place for doubts to hide. This love's a journey tender, vast, healing sorrow built to last. From soft to side to morning light, you paint my world so bright. Through doubt a hopeful ray, souls entwined light up the way, rising above the past old. A story bravely unfolds, this love, such journey tender vast. Snuff the journey tender vast, healing sorrow built to last. From soft to side to morning light, you paint my world so bright.